video. No, bench. Ah! Angel, shut up. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoy fucking bug. Excuse me. What's up, y'all? I am so tired after doing that workout. It was a small workout, but boy, it kicked my ass. So I just focused on the lower part, pretty much my glutes and stuff. It's a nice day out here in California, finally, because it's been raining literally like every single day, and then it's been like so cold here too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be out here chilling for a little bit. Sorry about my breakouts. Your girl likes to pick her face, but they're slowly like closing up and like healing and stuff, so I'm trying not to pick at it now. Great, now the little dog's outside. So I'm trying to work out a little bit here and there. I'm 3 months postpartum and stuff, so I have my C-section and stuff, and that's pretty much healed up, but it still hurts. Sorry about this dog. It still hurts, so I have to take it easy and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do. I feel like I did lose a lot of weight and stuff, due to like breastfeeding and everything like that, which is great, but there's still like a pudge there that I want to get rid of and stuff. So, but today was just glutes. I just wanted to do that outside. I figured it'd be nice to do something like that, get out of the house, you know, during quarantine life right now. This is the life. I really want to make a lemon cake, like a lemon pound cake, but every recipe that I keep seeing says baking powder. I don't have baking powder, so I'm sure that's a necessity that you need to make a pound cake or whatever from scratch, because I have so many lemons and stuff, so I was like, something sweet would be so nice. Like I pretty much have everything. Sorry, a plane. I pretty much have everything in my pantry to make and stuff, but yeah. So how are you guys doing? Yes, let me know in the comments down below. I am gonna try to link some of like the stuff that I got on. Like this is my Adidas top. I actually got this overseas when I went to go when I went to Cyprus, small cute little island. What was it, like 3 years ago I think it was. So I'll see if I can find it and I'll link it down below. It's super cute. The sad part about it is I don't think they had the matching bottoms, so it'd be really nice if I could find the matching bottoms, because this is such a pretty color. It's nude. Hat, I'm pretty sure I got it at Forever 21. I got a black one as well. I'm trying to cover my ears. Who else has big ears? Your girl got big ears, so I'm trying to like lay them flat, because if not, they're gonna be sticking out. Then I have some black leggings on, and then I got some Adidas shoes. on. I'm trying to become an ambassador for the Like to Know It app, where pretty much anything like jewelry, clothing, home necessities, or just random stuff, I can post on there, and y'all can just like click on it, and then if you want to buy it, it'll send you straight to that link. So I think it's affiliated with our style, like reward style or something like that. So we'll see if I get accepted. I know my YouTube stuff is like not like high, you know, like I don't have that many followers and stuff, but hopefully they'll like check it out, and hopefully your girl will get, you know, accepted, which would be cool. But yeah, I'm just waiting on that. If you guys like some of these, hello, what you doing? What?
What are you doing?
Recording myself talk.
Oh.
You wanna come say hi? Let the puppers out. I'm about to end the video anyways. Get the big dog. Big dog. Big dog and little dog. Oh, and yep. Where's the little one at? I hate how much it's been raining, and there's so much mud in the yard. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you go because there's nothing really exciting here. If you guys enjoyed this video, no, Benj. Angel, shut up. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed, fucking bug. Excuse me. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and be sure to subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.